Today, we'll be doing the top 5 Shaolin Kung Fu exercise for strength and power. This will help you get started with your Shaolin journey. Let's get started. First, we are going to practice Zhàn Zhuāng or standing meditation. Today, we are going to do the stance called Hùn Yuán Zhuāng, and here's how we do it. Open your feet to shoulder width apart. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Bend your knees slightly and bring both of your hands in front of you, like you're holding a big ball. Relax your shoulder and let your elbow float gently upward. You can now close your eyes and we will hold the stance for 3 minutes. This is a very important part of Shaolin Kung Fu. We often said, one good stance is worth more than 100 drills. Zhàn Zhuāng is a kind of static training. It helps regulate your energy and blood flow, and also builds inner strength. Now, you can slowly open your eyes. We're going to do the simple breathing exercise together. Open your arms, breathe in. Close your arms, breathe out. Open, breathe in. And close, breathe out. We will do this a few more times, and you can feel the energy flow in your body. And last one, breathe in, breathe out to center. Now we are going to practice slow punch. 马步. Push your fist from your waist, slow, but with strength and power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, center. And now the fast punch. What we want here is speed and power. Ma bu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Center. Okay, relax for 10 seconds. We'll do it again. Okay, get ready. Ma bu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Center. And the next move, we are going to push with our palms. Ma bu. Push both of your palms forward. Make a circle. And push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Okay, relax for 10 seconds. We're gonna do it again. Okay, get ready. Ma bu. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. So we finished the upper body training. Now we're going to do our lower body training. Today we're going to do 3 stances here. Horse stance, Ma bu. Bow stance, Gōng Bù. And pull stance, Pu bu. For each stance, we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. And let's start it. Ma bu. And switch to bow stance, Gōng Bù. The other side. And 扑步. You can either put your hand on your knee or on the feet. And switch. And now switch left and right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, stand up. And finally, we are going to do horse stance to ball stance with a pound. 马步转弓步冲拳，马步 ，pound, 2, pound, 3, pound, 4, pound, 5, pound, 6, pound, 7, pound, 8, pound, 9, pound, 10, pound, center. Okay, relax for 10 seconds. We're going to do the other side. Okay, get ready. 马步 pound, 2, pound, 3, pound, 4, pound, 5, pound, 6, pound, 7, pound, 8, pound, 9, pound, 10, pound, center. And that's everything for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe Shaolin Worldwide and comment below what you want to see next. Bye bye.